Launch your career with confidence. Online coaching for aspiring cabin crew, job seekers, and fresh graduates. Build confidence that speaks before you do. Learn from aviation and human resource industry experts. Train in small batches for personal attention. Get real-time feedback, grooming tips, and resume support. 100% online, flexible, and focused on results. Rebuild, rebrand, become recruit ready. Professional resume redesign, soft skills and grooming training, human resource aligned interview prep, personality development. Enroll now or book a free consultation. NuEvolv, rebuild, rebrand, raise.